I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make milkshakes for business. First, focus on sourcing the best ingredients. Premium ice cream and fresh milk are non-negotiable for a superior product. Next, ensure you have robust commercial blenders that can handle high volume without overheating. Finally, start thinking about your unique selling proposition, perhaps a signature flavor that sets you apart. For your base, always choose a high-quality ice cream, ideally one with at least 10% butterfat for that rich, creamy consistency. Pair this with fresh, whole milk to achieve the perfect texture and flavor balance. Your equipment is equally vital. A powerful commercial blender is essential for smooth, consistent milkshakes, especially during peak hours. Unleash your creativity by experimenting with various syrups, sauces, and exciting mix-ins like cookies or fresh fruit. Offering seasonal specials such as a pumpkin spice shake in autumn can keep your menu fresh and customers engaged. Remember, consistency is key. Ensure every milkshake, whether it's a classic vanilla or a new creation, meets your high standards. Effectively market your milkshakes through engaging social media campaigns, showcasing their visual appeal and unique flavors. Carefully calculate your ingredient costs and overhead to set prices that ensure profitability while remaining competitive. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important, especially when running a busy business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.